All right, boys and girls, the question is asking us this. 30 beads divided into 5 groups. And it's asking us what fraction would represent that. The most important thing that you need to do in all of this is you need to figure out what is being divided. That's probably the most important portion of that. What's being divided here? Am I dividing the groups or am I dividing beads? Help me out with that. Raise your hand. Jamari. I am dividing the beads. Where would that have to go? On my fraction. Is that going to be my numerator? Is that going to be my denominator? Ava. It's my numerator. 30 divided by, and what am I dividing 30 by in this question, Katia? 5. I've now taken my division symbol. I've replaced each dot, the numerator and the denominator, with the corresponding numbers from the question. 30 divided by 5. Pretty simple, right? That question, I think, lends itself to being solved. I think it's a lot easier than a baker would use 24 cups of flour to make 9 loaves of bread. And it asks me a very odd question. The total number of cups he will use for each loaf of bread is between. And it has, is it between 1 and 2? Is it between 2 and 3? Is it between 3 and 4? Or D, is it between 4 and 5? So my question to you is this, and it's the exact same as the last time. I have these dots that I have to replace with actual numbers. I have my numerator. I have my denominator. So answer me this question. What is getting divided? Is it the 24 cups? Or is it the 9 loaves? What am I dividing in this one? Tyler. I'm dividing the 24 cups. 24 divided by, and what am I dividing it by, Tyler? 9. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the fraction that we're looking for as my answer. I actually have to solve this. So when I read the fraction, I'm not going to say 24/9, although that is correct. I'm also going to say 24 divided by 9. There's another way we can write that. What's the other way that I could write 24 divided by 9 that you're all probably very used to? What would it look like? Really? Come on. 24 divided by 9, correct? Feel good about that? Well, that still doesn't answer my question. I have to solve. Okay, well, how many times will 9 go into 24 without going over? We'll go in 2 times. So let's take this. Whoa, not that pin. There we go. 2 times. That's 18. I have 2 remainder 6, so I guess I could keep solving this. I don't know how far out this will go. How many times will 9 go into 60 without going over? 9 into 60 without going over. And we're all practicing our 9s now, right? 9 to the 60, how many times without going over? And that is what 7 times 9? Put down one more. You what? 63, so we need, that's a little too big. Let's go down one. No. 9 times? 5 is 45. That's not big enough. 6. What's 9 times 6? That's 54. Again, leaves me 6. This is going to be repeating decimal, but I've got 2.6. And we'll just stop there. 2.6. Where does that fit? Does that fall between 1 and 2? No. Does 2.6 fall between 2 and 3? Does it fall between 3 and 4? Or 4 and 5? There's your answer. Easy? All you have to really just slow down and put the correct information in, and then actually solve it if you need to. You guys have got this.